to Smart Tech Junction. Today in this video I am going to show you, have you ever connected to a Wi-Fi and seen the message connected not secure on your phone? As you can see guys in my screen. In this video tutorial I will explain what that means, if it's dangerous, and how to fix this problem issue on your phone. Let's get started one by one. When your device say connected not secure, it means you are connected to a Wi-Fi network, but that network does not have a password or encryption. In simple word, the Wi-Fi signal is open, okay, that you have connecting, and anyone nearby can connect to the same Wi-Fi network. This usually happen when you are connected to a mobile hotspot or a public Wi-Fi, or the Wi-Fi owner did not set a password to that network. At that time only you can get this type of problem. If you want to know, is it dangerous or not? Yes, it can be. Okay, when the Wi-Fi is not secure, your data can be seen by other on the same network. For example, hacker could interrupt your information. Someone might access your file or use your internet for illegal activities. So if you are on a public or unknown network that's say not secure, so at that time you need to avoid logging your personal details like bank account details or sensitive content, user ID, password while connected to the not secured Wi-Fi network. You need to remember this guys. If you are connected to a mobile hotspot on your phone of any of your friends, or is your own Wi-Fi or hotspot, here you can follow this easy and simple method to secure your Wi-Fi network. Okay, go to your Wi-Fi or hotspot setting. First you need to set the password, okay, and go to configure, and in the security tab you need to select WPA2 or WPA3 personal. You need to select this setting, and after doing this guys, just you need to simply save the settings. Okay, so remember, connected not secured means your Wi-Fi has no password or encryption. It's okay for short-term use or sharing your phone hotspot with friends, but for safety always secure your network. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.